Hello everyone, this is me Sameeha Siddiqui and today I will take you through Quizstar, my quiz application project that I created using Python. So about me, my name is Sameeha Siddiqui and I am 14 years old. I am from India and currently living in Sharjah, UAE. I am an ambitious student studying in grade 9 who is always looking for ways to expand my knowledge and skills. My passions include reading, learning new skills such as IoT, and helping those in need. I strive to be a responsible and orderly person who does their best to give back to their community. Additionally, I am committed to using the skills I acquire through my studies and hobbies to help others and make a positive impact on society. Some of my personal skills are adaptability, time management, and task management. So I'll take you through acknowledgements, internship journey with Clever, how you can use the app, and contact person. So, acknowledgements. I would like to take this opportunity to express my appreciation to be a part of this Python internship program. I'm very much thrilled to have this learning experience through Clevered in this field of programming, and it was enthusiastic. I was really enthusiastic about the uncovering of the possibilities of Python and pushing myself with the program's challenges. I would like to give a special thanks to my mentor for this program because their guidance and support helped me achieve this growth and development that I have. So I'm thankful for their trust and belief in me and also for all the help that they have provided so that I can make most out of this program. So my objective in creating Quizstar, my quiz application project, is to provide a fun and interactive way for people to test their knowledge and learn new information, and users can answer questions on various topics. So I wanted to create an engaging and educational tool that can be used for entertainment, learning, and socialization purposes. And I also showcase my programming skills and knowledge of Python by creating a fully functional application that is user friendly and enjoyable to use. So, how is it beneficial to people in society? It has several potential benefits. Firstly, it provides an engaging and interactive way for individuals to test their knowledge and learn new information on various topics. And it is especially beneficial for students, educators, and anyone seeking to improve their understanding of different subjects. Secondly, this quiz application project can help to promote cognitive development, including memory, problem solving, critical thinking, and decision making skills. So it basically provides mental exercises to your brain just the way MCQ does, so it can stimulate your brain. So overall, my quiz application project has the potential to benefit the individuals in various ways. So why did I choose this project? Because I was interested in developing educational tools and applications that can benefit society. So I believe that a quiz application is a really effective way so that people can test their knowledge and learn new information on various topics. I also wanted to improve my programming skills, specifically in Python, so creating a quiz application would allow me to do so. So, moreover, I wanted to create something that could be used for entertainment and socialization. I believe that this project has the potential to make a positive impact on society by promoting education, cognitive development, philanthropy as well. So, overall, I am passionate about this project and excited to see how it can benefit the individuals and society as a whole. So my internship journey with Clevered, it has been incredibly valuable learning experience. My mentors were really helpful and knowledgeable and providing me with this opportunity to develop my coding skills in Python. I quickly grew familiar with the syntax and principles of coding and working on projects like this one, it allowed me to put my newfound knowledge into practice. So, with every challenge I encountered during the internship, it provided and it improved my problem solving skills, which prepared me for future projects. Overall, this internship was a valuable part of my journey, and I'm deeply grateful for this opportunity. So, how can you use this app? So, this is the user interface that appears when you open the app, and this is basically the questions. So there are basically three sets of question and five questions in each set. And you're going to get different sets each time you start the quiz. And this is the feedback that you will receive, and this is based on your accuracy. So this app is just as easy to use. You have to read the rules and click start, and you will be taken through 5 questions, and at the end you will get your feedback to review. So with this app you can test your knowledge easily, and you can have fun with your friends and family, and you should give it a try today. So in case there seems to be a problem with the working, you can reach out to me on this mail. So let's go with the live demonstration. So I've used the random library and Inter, of course, and the JSON module so that I can create some JSON files for the 3 sets of questions. Yes, so this is Quizstar. Okay, so you can select it based on what you think is really correct, and it's going to give you a feedback like this: you can do better. So this means on an average you have answered the questions correctly, and you can get a different feedback, that is, if you have answered all of them correctly you will get the "you are excellent" feedback. So this is how this quiz works, and let me explain a bit of more of programming right in this. So these are the set of questions, and these are the answer choices that basically the AI will predict that you have answered it correctly or not. And this is based on the feedback scheme, basically all the scores calculation, because if it is less or less than the score that you have given, it will give you the file, basically the image file, which is going to be your feedback. And this is all basically the code I've written for creating the user interface, that how is it going to appear for once the user clicks on like the app to work. So thank you so much.